this is a new trick, right? In less than 10 minutes, you get your phone back to main menu. Just follow my step. It's very, very simple. Yeah, let's go there. Before we proceed, the first thing you got to remove, because if you don't remove that stuff, it's likely for you not to get your phone to the main menu. It will be disturbing you. The first thing you need to do, remove your SIM. Remove this SIM, which have been connected to normal data. So I've already done mine. So you need to remove it. Secondly, we have to connect our phone to what? Wi-Fi. Let's go there. Let's select our language first. Before let's select our language first. So I select United States. Let's go there. So country, select your preferred country. So I'm on Nigeria, name it Nigeria BBC. Come on, let's select our country. I'm from Nigeria. So just follow my step. You get your phone to your main menu. It does not hard. So you skip. Let's skip it. So here we need strong Wi-Fi. You need what? You need strong Wi-Fi. You need strong Wi-Fi. So let's connect. You need strong Wi-Fi. So you wait a little bit. Let next appear somewhere here. Okay, let's go. So you select I have read and agree to the above. Then you click. Just follow my step. It's very, very simple. You get your phone to the main menu in less than 10 minutes. Just follow my step. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Just follow me. Let's keep down copy. We keep on down copy. We proceed. So can you see it's locked? So the owner forgot the password. At the same time, it does not remember his Gmail account. So let's go back. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Now, your Wi-Fi. Look at your Wi-Fi here. So let's assume you have a Wi-Fi here. So you connect. You click on this rectangle sign. Click on it. Just click on it. Click on it like this. Now you see near share. You click on that near share. Just follow my step. Understand? So click on this. Turn on. Click on turn on. So this setting setting symbol, click on it. Then you come down a little bit. You click on learn more. So so look this up here. This up here on your right hand corner here. That three dots, you click on it. Then click on share article. So please, I want us to pay attention here because many of us fail when you get to this place. If your Wi-Fi, if it doesn't have strong Wi-Fi, eh, if it doesn't have strong Wi-Fi, this phone is here, it will not appear. So I'm talking with experience. Let's take note of that. If it doesn't have strong Wi-Fi, this phone is here, it will not appear, and it's supposed to appear on your phone because it's a system phone. It comes with the phone, right? It's not the one that the owner downloaded there. Understand? So if you doesn't see your own, make sure that you use strong Wi-Fi, or you have been trying to get rid of the Gmail or forgotten password there. Maybe you have used many apps to get rid of it. Sometimes it might cost not to see this phone is. So what you just need when you ensure that you are using strong Wi-Fi and it doesn't not this phonics doesn't appear. So what you just need to do, reformat. do the hard reset of that phone, it will come. Understand? So it had happened to me when I was doing one of it has happened to me, sha. So it's not today I'm be doing all this. So I'm talking with experience. So you click on phonics. Let's go. You click on phonics again. So you click on agree and start. So just follow my step. It's very very simple. So we'll get there. So you say we should update. No, we are not going to update. So you come to this search bar, then you type Google. Just follow my step. Google.com. 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 So I want everybody to see very well. That's why I hold the phone. So be able to see very well. Like other. So now you come to Google search bar and you type um FRP file slash by pass APK. Just follow my step, don't worry. You get your phone to the main menu. Then you click search. Click search. So here we are. So you scroll down a little bit, you scroll down, come down a little bit, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then you click on this FRP bypass CC. I love using this platform. So you click on it. Then here we are. You come down, come down. So we navigate to where there is setting, where there is settings. So here is setting. Then you open settings. So you open setting. Then you come down. You come down. You navigate to where there is special function. You click on special function. Then accessibility. Just follow my step. It's very very simple. Don't worry. You get your phone to main menu. Accessibility. So now you click on this accessibility menu. Then we on it. We allow because we deny, we not get the accessibility because that's what you need here. So get it, got it, understand. Then you come back, you go back, you go back, you go back, you go back, go back, press down, continue, continue, continue. So when you get to this place, we have to disconnect our Wi-Fi in order to get next year. Let's do that right now. Okay, I want you to be comprehensive. Understand? Forget your password. Then you reconnect to the same password, to the same Wi-Fi. So connected. Just wait for a few seconds. It will appear. This next will appear. Let's wait. So you press next. When you reach this, please take note of this place. When you reach term of used, understand? You come to your hotspot, your secondary here, your second phone here. So you disconnect it. You disconnect your hotspot, your Wi-Fi. You disconnect it. So I've done mine. So you don't disappear. So you press next. So scroll down, accept. You press accept. You press keep. So when you reach here, when you reach this place, then you reconnect your what? Your Wi-Fi. You reconnect your what? Your Wi-Fi. Here, you on it. You turn it on here. You turn it on here, and you wait for some seconds. It will appear. You see it? It has appeared. So please always take note of this place. If your Wi-Fi does not appear here, if it does not appear here, understand? which means that you don't have you don't have data on your secondary phone, your other phone you are using. You don't have this thing there be that name. You don't have data there be that name. You have to get data. So because if you don't have data, this thing as you reconnect, it will not appear. So always take note. Then you come to this accessibility assistance. Then you press assistance, and say settings. Settings. Tap open settings below. So you type open settings. As you say settings or you say open settings, it's still the same thing. So you open your setting. Here we are. So here we are. Just follow my step. It's very, very simple. So you scroll down. Yeah, you scroll down. You scroll down. You navigate to app management. Navigate to app management. Then click on app list. Then you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Let's try some app. If it's gonna open, if they will open. Let's try open Gmail. Doesn't open. Google account doesn't open. Google Play Store. Let's does not open. Google Play Store and Google Play Service does not open. Now, oh yeah, let's go back. Just follow my step. Don't rush. Don't skip. Let's go back. Let's go back. Then click on this power marathon. Power what? Power marathon. You click on it. So switch it on. Then you activate. You activate it here. So let it load. You activate. Then you come to battery settings. Battery setting is down here. Click on it. Then you click on this battery usage. Battery usage. Can you see it? Then click on this Google Play service. Then disable. You do what? Disable. Disable app. You disable it here. Can you see it? Disable. So you disable. After you have disabled, then you go back. You go back. You go back. You go back. Go back. Go back. Skip. Next.
Please don't
Press this
forget to
arrow.
subscribe to my channel, like and share, and turn on your notification, not
Press
bell,
this
for more
forward
videos like
arrow.
this. Thanks for watching.
You see, very simple trick. Now you have got your phone back. Can you see? So please do not forget to help me like and follow. Subscribe to my channel. Please, it's a new channel. Please help me like and share them. So let other people benefit. So um for you to enable the Play Store service back, just click here, sign in. Just click on sign in. So it bring notification here say enable Google Play Store web play service. Click it here on the notification bar. So let's drop down. So we say enable. So we drop it down from the drop from this place. Then we enable it here. Let's enable it. You enable it here so that I can be able to use your Play Store service. So we have enabled it. So we have enabled it. Thank you very much for your support. Please help me subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.